Today, let's sew a body pillow cover that's textured. Welcome, I do sewing and DIY related content, and today using these two fabrics we are making a new body pillow cover. Now I had another video that I made this space theme body pillow cover, and I will include the link if you're interested. This one uses French seams, it has a zipper, super easy, you just need 2 yards of fabric. But today I am using kind of two different fabrics and I'm going to be making another body pillow cover where I have it actually be a little bit more textured. So the way that I did this was I used my original body pillow cover as a template. You can also just measure out the length and width of your body pillow to get those sizing too. Once I had the one piece cut out, I then repeated those exact same steps for this black fabric. This black fabric is actually a flannel, so it is really soft, but I just went through, cut this out so that it is the correct size as my previous body pillow cover, which you can easily do. And then it was time to start on the quilting process. So as I mentioned, I am giving this some texture by quilting this fabric before using it. So I went through and drew out my pattern that I wanted to have on this fabric. We decided just to have it be like a patchwork themed. So I did every 2 inches, I drew a straight line, and then I'm just going to be sewing over that line, and then I'll be repeating this in the other direction as well. That way it has this really fun patchwork look, but also has a really interesting feel and just gives it a little bit more design and texture. Once I had all of that drawn out, I then went over to my sewing machine and began the process of quilting. Now this did take some time, but I thought it was really fun and almost kind of relaxing to do. Be sure as you go through that you're just very carefully following those lines that you're stitching. And then of course I used chalk for this, and I did wash this before I sewed it anymore. I also went through and just serged up the edges before I washed it so that it would be nice and clean and I wouldn't have to worry about any raw edges. So as you can see, it's very subtle, but the quilting is there. So now I'm going to go through and match my zipper with one side of my fabric with right sides together. So I am matching that green pattern with the green zipper. And then I'm just going to sew this directly in place. So taking a seam all the way down to add the zipper. Now everything you're going to see here is very similar to our previous body pillow cover video. So if you are familiar with that, you can just follow along with that video as well. Once I sewed the zipper on, I did go through and top stitch it just so that it was nice and neat and had a really clean look. So as you can see, here is what my zipper now looks like. Everything looks so nice on it, and you can also see from this video that the edges for this piece of fabric are serged too. So now it's just time to repeat those same zipper steps with this black fabric, so matching the zipper with the right side of the fabric. Now for my zippers, I do use a slightly larger zipper than the fabric. I find it a little easier just so that I'm not having to deal with those like metal pieces that sometimes come up. But if you want to use an exact size zipper, that's completely fine as well. Once I had it all pinned into place, I'm just going to take the exact same seam as I did before to sew the green zipper onto the black fabric, and then I will go through and top stitch all of this as well, just so that it gives it that really nice and clean look. At this point though, after it's all been top stitched, our zipper is now added to the body pillow cover, which is really exciting. So for this, I'm just going to now go through and actually open my zipper itself. So it is time for us to really do one of the last steps of this, and that is to sew the front and back of the body pillow cover together. So be sure you open your zipper halfway, and then I'm going to lay out the front of the body pillow cover so that the right side's facing up, and then I'm going to put the back of the body pillow cover on top so the right side's facing down. So basically just having these two pieces with right sides together. And then once I do this, I'm going to go through and just pin up the other 3 sides. So having that zipper open is going to be the opening that will allow us to turn this cover. So I'm just going to sew the bottom, the side, and then the top as well. And then we'll leave that other side that has the zipper just completely. We're not doing any more sewing with that, but be sure it has that opening so that you can turn this right side out when we're done sewing. Now with everything sewn, I can go ahead and just turn this right side out through that opening through the zipper. So I'm just going to put my hand in here and then very carefully pull this right side out. Everything looks so nice and neat. I really like how the zipper looks with this fabric. This fabric was actually vintage fabric, which makes it really fun. And then I just put my body pillow within there, and everything is now complete with this. This was such a fun and easy project. The black fabric has a really fun texture on the back because we did the quilting. It also just adds a little bit of detail. I know it's hard to see, but in person it does show up really nicely. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you want to see next.